just really cannot accept the impeachment of their vice president. In other areas, as you know, the Iglesia ni Cristo has a very strong position about this matter, and it continues to be there. There are many districts where there's a very high percentage of voters from that church, no? So they, of course, have an important voice also in their districts. Of the 30, more than 30 that are already voting yes, I would say at least half of those are going to be seriously affected in the next election if they continue to vote yes. So I think it's a tribute to their firmness, their steadfastness of purpose that they continue to say yes, no, in spite of warnings, no, from their constituents who belong to that church about what will happen if they vote that way. So let's see. But yeah, it's more than 30. Kami lahat, no, sa local, whenever elections come around or important matters, we actually go to the district, the pastors, no, of the iglesia in our districts, and then we ask them, no, what their advice is, and that's actually what's been going on. And without exception, everybody has been saying our position remains the same. Mas maraming problema yung ating bansa, dapat tugunan natin yung mga nakikita natin ibang mga problema. Sayang ang panahon ng Kongreso dito sa ganitong klaseng gawain. At hindi kami naniniwala na dapat magkagulo yung ating bansa sa panahon na ganito. So ang tingin namin, pareho pa rin. And that means, therefore, no. Siyempre, alam mo naman, you talk to the district minister, you're talking to all the votes of that group in the district.
Sir, kanina yung NUP mentioned about the reality na may external pressure, for example, Iglesia ni Cristo. Ganun sa lakas ba, may ibang members din na nagpahayag ng ganong reservation sa pagboto because of those external factors?
Sabi ko nga, the impeachment process is both a legal and a political process, di ba? So, mayroon din mga members natin na meron din ganung klaseng meron din ganung klaseng consideration sa kanilang mga distrito. May ganung klaseng consideration. Of course, we are in reality would dictate that there are other factors that influences one member's decision regarding the vote that he or she will cast on Monday. So yes, I would. That's the reality on the ground. That's part of the the variables that actually are present in everybody's in everybody's minds as far as a member is concerned when it comes to the vote that he or she will cast on Monday.